Okay, so this one here, we're looking at quadratic functions and parent functions, and we're going to be moving these guys left and right, up and down. They're called transformations. This guy's been transformed, right? You see right here, transformed. I got f of x is x squared, and then my new graph, the plus 8 and 7/10, or the 8.7 is inside the parentheses. So one of the things you have to learn this year, and I hope you learned it with your teacher, is, I never got the blue pen to work, is that we're going to give you something called the vertex form of an equation. Seeing it's always that weird colors. It never does the color I want it. I want blue. Give me blue this time. Yay, blue. Okay. So if I give you what's called the vertex form, it's called the vertex form of an equation. It looks like this: f of x equals a, and in parentheses times x minus h squared plus k. Right? This moves my parent function left or right, and the k moves my function up or down. So if I have x squared, this guy's gonna move it this way. It's gonna move it over here. It's gonna left or right. Then the k will move it up and down. Right? So I can go right, then up, right, then down. And if the a is negative, let's see, I would make it negative, it would flip flop it. So that's all I would do. Okay, so that being said, this guy's inside the parentheses. So this graph will move left or right. So I have x squared. It looks like that, touchdown. And plus 8/7 means it's a little early, because always this is minus h squared, right? Minus h means that this guy's going to be over here somewhere. So this guy's over here. And so the new coordinate will be negative 8.7, comma 0. Let me write that correctly. Negative 8.7, 0. It's going to be D. Now, let's verify that. Okay, so f of x is x squared. X squared. And there's my u, my touchdown. And then this guy here, whatever f of x is, it goes in here, right? So that g of x is f of x plus 7. So it looks something like this. It's going to be parentheses x plus 8.7. I know I said 7, but I meant 8.7. And then I square that. And he's over here. See that? He moved to the left. And that's the new graph. So it's in here now. Right? So that it's going to be f of x plus 7, and don't forget to square it, because it is a parent function. And it moves to the left. And that's something you should have learned throughout the year. If you don't quite get what I'm doing, go talk to your teacher. Teachers might want to review this with your students. But yeah, this is one of those that once you understand the concept, you know which way this guy is moving up and down and so on. Easy, actually very easy question, but I can see why it might be difficult.